स्पेशल एपिसोड।
जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं, इस साल के आइडिया आईफा अवार्ड्स 2007 का वेन्यू है द ब्यूटीफुल काउंटी ऑफ यॉर्कशायर। और हम खड़े हैं यॉर्कशायर के लीड्स ब्रैडफोर्ड इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के बाहर।
हाउ स्वीट। वेल, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने यूडी की वीज़ा को कैंसिल कर दिया है, वो उनको घर भेजने वाले हैं, तो आई एम सॉरी, दैट्स नॉट गोना हैपन।
व्हाट अ बैड जोक।
ओह या, ऑफ कोर्स, फ्रेश अपडेट, वो तलाश अभी भी जारी है। वी आर स्टिल लुकिंग फॉर दैट लव एट फर्स्ट साइट वाली लड़की। कौन होगी वो लड़की? यू नो हाउ दैट गर्ल यार?
वेल, तुमसे तो अच्छी है। वेल, गेटिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, लीड्स ब्रैडफोर्ड इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट होगा कुछ धमाकेदार अराइवल का वेन्यू एंड यस, हमारे फेवरेट बॉलीवुड सितारे, और आगाज होगा इस साल के आइडिया आईफा अवार्ड वीकेंड का।
इस साल ही नहीं, हर साल जब बॉलीवुड के सितारे जमीन पे उतरते हैं तो माहौल देखने लायक होता है।
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल, क्या करे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल, क्या करे।
शाहरुख, एक रेड कार्पेट वेलकम एट द एयरपोर्ट ऑफ एम्स्टर्डम, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Beautiful to come and see that so many people like Indian films, and IFA has brought great honor and great celebration.
Generally with a lot of fun, and last year I had a lot of fun.
It's overwhelming just to see so many people out here in Amsterdam, so many miles away from India. Fantastic experience.
इस वक्त मैं यॉर्क मिंस्टर के सामने खड़ी हूँ, जो नॉर्दर्न यूरोप का सबसे बड़ा गॉथिक कैथीड्रल है। It's just beautiful. The architecture, the interiors, beauty इसके कण से टपक रही है। Well, beauty से मुझे याद आया, हमारी एक वेरी ओन इंटरनेशनल ब्यूटी क्वीन है, जिन्होंने हाल ही में करोड़ों लाखों लड़कों का दिल चकनाचूर कर दिया। You guessed it right. We are talking about the one and only ऐश्वर्या राय, जो पिछले साल आईफा में यूं आई और यूं गई कि it left everybody gasping for breath.
My hand of friendship with Dubai, forever here by leaving my handprint. So thank you all for this very humbling and kind honor.
Come in this morning. I've been interacting with you all. It's had a mixture of so many emotions because one, I'm here back with IFA. Last year was a fantastic memory, a wonderful experience. The show rocked. We had a blast. Wish I could have stayed on.
You know, हम लोग यॉर्क में हैं और दिस इज माइनस इशिता। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। कहीं खो गई है, ऐसा ही रहना चाहिए। You know, जब से हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं, इशिता ने वो लव एट फर्स्ट साइट वाली बात बोल बोल करना मेरा बेजा फ्राई कर दिया है। पर मैं आपको एक राज की बात बताता हूँ। जब मैं कॉलेज में था तो एक बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस से मुझे लव एट फर्स्ट साइट हो गया था। हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ लेडी लॉन्ग लेग्स की, द ब्यूटीफुल शिल्पा शेट्टी की, जिन्होंने यूपी बिहार के दिलवालों का करार लूट कर आजकल यूके में काफ़ी हलचल मचा रही है। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना यॉर्कशायर के लोगों से ये बात पूछूं कि भाई शिल्पा शेट्टी में उन्होंने ऐसी क्या बात देखी है।
In the last 9 years, the IDEA IFA Awards for Outstanding Achievement by an Indian in international cinema has been given to stalwarts who have taken India to the world and brought the world's attention to India. This year's winner is deserving in more ways than one. Her face and personality attracts audiences and media attention world over. Before we honor this beautiful, graceful woman, can we take a look at the audiovisual? The IDEA IFA Award for Outstanding Achievement by an Indian in International Cinema, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
Macau. Well, thank you so much. This is truly humbling. I'd like to thank the board of IFA for this incredible honor, because receiving anything from our fraternity, from the Indian film industry, is always extremely special. So thank you so much for having me enjoy the experience of belonging to cinema. I never dreamt I'd be here, and it's been an incredible journey. I thank every filmmaker I've worked with until date, and I thank you, the audience, the most, because it's your love, good wishes, and blessings that inspires me to deliver my best. So thank you so much. This one's for you. Thank you.
The last decade has seen some path-breaking films, and not surprisingly, most of them also broke box office records. और इनमें से जो बेस्ट थे, उन्हें आईफा अवार्ड तो मिला ही। पर इस बार आईफा ने एक डेकेड पूरा होने के मौके पर सिर्फ इस साल के लिए आईफा has instituted a unique category, the Videocon Golden Decade Honors. The first Videocon IFA Golden Decade Honor is for Star of the Decade Female. And to present this award, I would like to request Mr. P.N. Dhoot, President and MD Videocon Industries, and Mr. Anil Kapoor to join us on stage, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic, mind-blasting, mind-blowing Chaiwala! Well, we are here to announce the Star of the Decade Female. Pradeep ji, please do the nomination.
Good evening. Please have a nomination clip.
The nominees for Videocon IFA Golden Decade Honors for Star of the Decade Female are Aishwarya Rai Bachchan for Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Karisma Kapoor for Fizza, Tabu for Chandni Bar, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan for Devdas, Preeti Zinta for Kal Ho Na Ho, Rani Mukherjee for Hum Tum, Rani Mukherjee for Black, Rani Mukherjee for Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, Kareena Kapoor for Jab We Met.
And the winner is fantastic, mind-blowing, my favorite Chaiwali, Aishwarya!
fantastic, mind-blowing chaiwala. Thank you all. Wow. This feels like a mini Lifetime Achievement Award. 10 years being acknowledged on this platform is such a privilege. Yet again, I'd like to thank every filmmaker I've worked with, all my colleagues, every member of the film fraternity, my staff, my colleagues, every technician, because we're able to do what we do and make an impact because of all your efforts. It's never a singular effort. Thank you very, very much. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank God for giving me the best family ever. Mom and Dad, thank you for being so special. It's your sacrifice, your grace, your simplicity and your dignity and your blessings because of which I do what I do. Thank you for being so special. Thank you all for your prayers. My daddy is okay. So thank you. And Ma and Pa, it's an absolute privilege, an honor that I'm your daughter-in-law. I hope to be able to hone my craft to live up to your expectations. And Abhishek, you are the best husband in the world. I love you. Thank you. Thank you.
आइफा ग्रीन कार्पेट पे आ गए हमारे साथ the most beautiful and elegant couple. Abhishek sir, Aishwarya ma'am, welcome. How are you guys doing?
Thank you. Very well, thank you.
So even like between you all, like romantic wise, is there 19-20 or both are equally romantic?
वो तो हम दोनों के बीच में है ना, आपको क्यों बताएं? Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Yeah?
Yes, I
What about
am.
you? Who's more romantic? Who's more romantic between you and your
My wife.
Yeah?
For sure.
Yeah, she's also.
She's watching, na?
I am.
That's right.
Good answer, brother. Good answer.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to IFA.
Thank you.
I'm such a huge fan of you both. I can't believe I'm getting to do this, that too together. It's a moment for me. And ma'am, when we see you at Cannes, it's such a representation. हमारे लिए एनुअल फेस्ट होता है कि आप जाएंगी वहाँ पे हमको लुक्स देंगे and we're all like just looking at it. It's amazing.
Thank you for your love.
Thank you so much. You are performing tonight.
Yes, I am.
कुछ special all the best मिलता है performance से पहले?
Always. She's my ultimate and best support.
Yeah.
I've always said without her encouragement, it becomes very difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of words would you probably tell him
Have
before?
fun. Be yourself. Have fun. That's something that, I mean, I don't have to give advice. That's just something.
She sets a very high standard for the rest of the family. So.
Please.
No, we remember your IFA performance, the Kajrare performance,
Ji.
which was iconic.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. So see, the key word is we had fun, and that he always does.
ऐसा moment हमें दोबारा मिलेगा कभी? Maybe today, I don't know, soon.
पता नहीं, शायद, you never know. Maybe impromptu Kajrare gig we can do.
Oh my God.
You never know.
मुझे अंदर का पास लेना पड़ेगा. ग्रीन कार्पेट लुक्स के लिए आप एक दूसरे से सजेशंस लेते हैं?
नहीं, मैं बस इनका सजेशन लेता हूँ बस. I can't give. I'm not qualified to give suggestions.
Really? कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हैं. No such thing.
Thank you so much for your time. Have a great time tonight. I cannot believe I get to talk to you.